Hey, this is Joe with the Idaho Auction Barn. I wanted to show you through this lab auction. This is a engineering lab they were testing the road base for the valley, and that's what a lot of the equipment is. I kind of wanted to just show you today some of the things that you're going to have to remove yourself and what might be involved. So, a couple of the things that are, and we'll have you take these out next week. Well, you know, not next week, the week after the auction, you'll coordinate with the city, get those things removed. The auction goes off on Wednesday, Thursday the day after, and Friday we'll be, having a forklift here for moving some of the big equipment. But these hoods, it's going to take you a little bit of a time to get those out. You do not have to patch the roof or ceiling or anything like that. They're remodeling this whole building afterwards. So when you get those things removed, you can just leave everything as is. Try not to damage the building too much when you take it out. Try and keep it respectful for them that way. But, if you scratch a wall or a little bit like that, it's not going to be a big deal. The counters are all going, and you can see that most of these are, like these ones, I think they're screwed to the wall. And you got the stainless steel countertops. These counters right here, they do have electrical run to them, so their electricians will get that disconnected. And then these are basically just, lift up and go. You will need to bring a little bit of help on these. I'll have a forklift on Thursday and Friday. I think I mentioned that already. And so over here, like these cabinets, these are separate units underneath. So you might be able to haul the whole thing out if you want, but I believe these two units are just screwed together. Yeah, there's a screw right there, so they're screwed together. So if you take the top off, you'll be able to take these units out probably one at a time. These cabinets here, Phillips screw in the back, screwed to the wall, and there's 1, 2, 3 units all together that are just screwed, together. So if you bring some tools, and you will need to bring some tools in your own help for a lot of this. On these cabinets, we probably won't have you pick them up the day after the auction because we need a little time to get all the small stuff out of the way. We don't want to have to unload all the cabinets, all the stuff off the cabinets in order to get those out and then have people picking up their smalls and getting it all mixed up. So coordinate with us if you would for picking up your cabinets. That would be very, very helpful. Moving back around in this room here. We got 2 more range hoods here. Again, sorry, my phone went off. On these ones here, if you can wait until the week after the auction to pick those up, we'll coordinate with the city on that to get those removed. Really, really nice stainless steel hoods. They would have the electricians disconnect those. Some of these big units here are wired in directly, and so the city will have their electrical engineer come in and disconnect those before we can move them out. So we'll kind of coordinate with you on that. So over here, you'll need to bring a few tools to disconnect the plumbing, and we'll make sure that gets shut off there. But again, nice counter, stainless steel tops. I mean, this stuff is great. These cabinets are great quality cabinets. Back around here, so these cabinets here, again, these are separate units that need to be, take the top off, and you guys will be responsible for that, to pop the top off. And these units are screwed together, so you'll be able to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds to get them out of the building. And bring your help, bring some tools to do that. I know when we took the picture of this, it kind of looked short and squatty. So here in the video, you can see that this is a regular size cabinet, and it's a nice large one, full extension drawer glides. Look at that, guys. These things are nice cabinets.
There's nothing in there.
Oops, I got turned around. We got this room here, so a couple more cabinets here. Again, same thing, take the top off. The top's all one unit, the rest of it can be unscrewed into sections. The garage, I got myself turned around, is up here. So we'll have a forklift here to load the heavy stuff in the back of your vehicle. We'll have that Thursday, Friday. This is a wide door to get some of the big equipment through. Just to let you know, right up to the alleyway. And we brought you in that room. So there, pretty much, I think we kind of got it covered. If you got questions, please give us a call so we can kind of coordinate with you. And otherwise, we'll look forward to seeing you online. Thanks, guys.